Mughlai Mutton Masala is a rich and flavoury Indian curry known for its use of aromatic spices and tender mutton, goat or lamb, cooked in a creamy sauce. The dish is believed to have originated during the Mughal Empire in India, which spanned from the early 16th century to the mid-19th century. Here's a brief history of Mughlai cuisine and Mughlai Mutton Masala. 1. Mughal Empire Influence. The Mughal Empire, under the leadership of emperors like Babar, Akbar, and Shah Jahan, had a profound impact on Indian cuisine. The Mughals were known for their refined and opulent culinary tastes, which combined Persian, Central Asian, and Indian flavors and techniques. The emperors and their royal kitchens encouraged the development of a distinctive cuisine known as Mughlai cuisine. 2. Culinary innovations. Mughlai cuisine introduced several culinary innovations to the Indian subcontinent. This included the use of rich, creamy gravies, the incorporation of dried fruits and nuts, and the use of aromatic spices in various dishes. These elements are characteristic of dishes like Mughlai Mutton Masala. 3. Spices and aromatics. Mughlai Mutton Masala typically features a blend of spices like cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, and nutmeg, as well as aromatic ingredients such as saffron, rose water, and kura water. These ingredients were introduced or popularized by the Mughals and became integral to their culinary style. 4. Influence on regional cuisine. Mughlai cuisine, including dishes like Mughlai Mutton Masala, had a significant impact on the regional cuisines of India. It influenced the development of dishes in North India, especially in places like Delhi, Lucknow, and Hyderabad, where variations of Mughlai cuisine became prevalent. 5. Continued popularity. Over the centuries, Mughlai cuisine has continued to be cherished and adapted by Indian cooks and chefs. Mughlai Mutton Masala, along with other Mughlai dishes, remains a favorite at special occasions, festive gatherings, and upscale Indian restaurants both in India and abroad. Today, Mughlai Mutton Masala, like many other Mughlai dishes, is enjoyed for its rich and indulgent flavors, making it a beloved part of India's culinary heritage. It's a testament to the enduring legacy of the Mughal Empire's influence on Indian cuisine. Mughlai Mutton Masala is a rich and flavorful Indian curry that combines tender pieces of mutton, goat or lamb, with a creamy and aromatic sauce. Here's a full recipe for preparing Mughlai Mutton Masala. Ingredients. For the marinade: 1 pound, for 50 g, mutton, cut into pieces. Half a cup yogurt. 1 teaspoon ginger paste. 1 teaspoon garlic paste. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Salt to taste. For the gravy: 2 tablespoons ghee, clarified butter, or vegetable oil. 2 large onions, finely sliced. 2 tomatoes, chopped. Half a cup cashew nuts, soaked in warm water. Half a cup fresh cream. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 cinnamon stick. 2 to 3 green cardamom pods. 2 to 3 cloves. 1 bay leaf. 1/2 teaspoon garam masala. 1/2 teaspoon ground coriander. 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin. 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg. Salt to taste. Fresh coriander leaves for garnish. Instructions. Marinating the mutton. 1. In a large mixing bowl, combine the mutton pieces with yogurt, ginger paste, garlic paste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt. 2. Mix well to ensure the mutton is coated evenly with the marinade. 3. Cover and refrigerate the marinated mutton for at least 1 to 2 hours, or overnight for best results. Making the gravy. 1. Heat the ghee or vegetable oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pan or kadai over medium heat. 2. Add the cumin seeds, cinnamon stick, green cardamom pods, cloves, and bay leaf. Sauté for a minute until the spices release their aroma. 3. Add the finely sliced onions and sauté until they turn golden brown and caramelized. This can take about 10 to 15 minutes. 4. While the onions are cooking, blend the soaked cashew nuts into a smooth paste using a little water. 5. Once the onions are caramelized, add the chopped tomatoes and cook until they turn soft and the oil begins to separate from the mixture. 6. Add the cashew nut paste and continue to cook for a few more minutes until the mixture thickens and becomes creamy. 7. Now, add the marinated mutton along with any remaining marinade into the pan. Sauté the mutton for about 5 to 7 minutes until it starts to brown. 8. Add the ground coriander, ground cumin, and ground nutmeg. Mix well and cook for a few more minutes. 9. Add enough water to cover the mutton, and then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pan and let the mutton simmer for 45 minutes to 1 hour or until it becomes tender. You may need to add more water if it becomes too dry during cooking. 10. Once the mutton is tender, add the fresh cream and garam masala. Stir well and cook for another 5 minutes. 11. Adjust the salt and spices according to your taste. Garnish and serve. 1. Garnish the Mughlai Mutton Masala with fresh coriander leaves. 2. Serve hot with naan, roti, or steamed rice. Enjoy your homemade Mughlai Mutton Masala, a delicious and indulgent Indian curry with rich, creamy flavors. I hope that you would have enjoyed making the Mughlai Mutton Masala. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you all.